What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So on the previous video, I told you I was doing a swing trade on Schd. I bought shares at $76.13. I had 428.81 shares. I sold them at $77 for a $370 profit. That puts me up on the year right now, $14,859. So that's what we're working with. Just to show transparency, these are my sells. You can see I sold all of my shares at $77. I was selling bits and pieces in the pre-market around 7:55 a.m. And as you can see, like my automatic investment videos, I'm always buying FSPGX long term. It's a Monday, so I'm going to buy another $100 worth of that. So let's break it down on the Webull chart. I'm going to show you why I sold SCHD, and let's get right into it. So I was doing some research on SCHD, and Fidelity was showing me that if I were to hold SCHD for the long term, just every year, I would make $1,100 in dividends. So, you know, I day traded them. I made $370 in one day on them. I'm okay with that. Now I can look to allocate the money somewhere else. Or if SCHD continues to sell off, I will probably just rebuy into them. So this is where I purchased them, which you can see this is the buy zone I had. I put this buy zone in because when you look at the 3-month chart, we had consolidation in this area right over here on the left side of the screen with the arrow. It bounced off here, consolidation here, bounced here, broke through, then regained the support. And then the next time it decided to retest that because look, it went all the way from $75 up to 81. And where's it going to go? It retests this level right here at $75. So that's why I took my entry right over here on the Friday, held it over the weekend, and then woke up and sold it. It was a $32,000 position. I would have made $1,100 a year on dividends plus whatever it grows to. I'm okay with that. If it goes more without me, that's okay. But the reason I sold was I was thinking there is resistance in this area right here around 77.3. I wasn't willing to hold it longer. I hit my target of $77. When I scroll out of the chart, you can see this was a support level right here. And then right here was resistance from 77.5 all the way to 77.3. So I was thinking we are going to get some sell-off pressure here. If it decides to start selling off again, then I'll just buy more shares. This is a win-win situation for me. So I'm just looking for opportunities in the market to make quick money when I can. And to me, that was clear as day, going off of the 3-month, looking at where it's been bouncing, buying the first retest of that level, getting a full point out of it, which was nice. And now we will just keep an eye on it. We'll set our alerts and we'll go from there. And if it keeps going without me, that's okay, because I have other stocks that I'm looking at that I'm hoping will start to sell off a little more. Just to give you a little insight, I've been watching NVIDIA, which I made in my last video. I want to see if we can get this retest from 750 all the way down to 700. And maybe 685 would be beautiful, looking for that nice pullback. So there's certain stocks that I'm looking at that I think could be potential buys, like Home Depot that I'm looking at, that's at 396 down to 336. These are levels that I'm watching now that I think I can make more of a return instead of just waiting a year, buying SCHD and making $1,100 over the year. So there's certain stocks I'm definitely keeping an eye on closely, and I want to see if they continue to sell off a little more. Even Costco, I want to see it come down to the 650s range. So there's a lot of opportunities always in the market. You just got to be patient and wait for those numbers to come. But I just wanted to break it down and show you what I'm looking at, what my trade was. And there's a nice V-shaped recovery right there, all the way from 77 down 76.64 back up. So that's what we're looking at. Just wanted to show you guys. Quick recap. All right, guys, if you like that little recap, definitely check out my playlist, Trading P&L 2024. I try to recap any live trades I do or just scalp trades, and this is my actively day trading account for 2024. So this is where we're at. If you like seeing that, check this playlist out. I have live recordings of Google, day trades, Apple, anything on Fidelity, and I just try to break it down and show you where I'm at. Just full transparency.